Hi everyone, it's your BUHAYMOTHER, and today we are going to prune this apple tree of mine because I want new growth on these branches. When there's new growth, that means more fruit production. So this is the apple tree that I need to prune, and it's winter here in Australia, so this is the best time to prune your fruit trees because it's dormant. And as you can see, it's really overgrown, and I'm not a tall person, so I want to cut it down so that when there's fruits or it's time to harvest the fruits, it'll be easier for me to reach it. And I want my little kids as well to be able to reach it as well. I don't know if you can see the shape of it, but it has, I've actually espaliered that so that to maximize the space of my backyard, because I don't have a big backyard. I've read before, when you espalier it, you expose more of the branches, and when it gets more sun, there's more, it encourages more fruits to grow. When I do my pruning, I need a couple of tools. This is the pruner, which takes care of the small or thin branches, and we have this lofter, which takes care of the bigger branches, and as well as high ones as well, anything that you can't reach. This one helps a lot. And this one as well, which is the saw. This takes care of the really big branches. And we have a sharpener, and as well as a disinfectant. This one here, you can use alcohol. With me here, I have Dettol or disinfectant, a disinfectant, and I've just added water in there. And I just normally just spray the blades on both sides and wipe it off with a clean cloth. And you have your sharpener there as well. And to sharpen it, all you have to do is get the blade and just follow the angle of the blade and run it through a couple of times. And after a while, try, feel it, and if it's sharp, then that's it. When I start pruning, I start from the bottom, and if there's any runners just like this, I just cut that off at the very bottom there. Taking off those runners really helps because these runners here are not really beneficial. They only take energy from the tree. I will prune any branches that are sticking out. Anything that are in the middle, just like this, I will cut that off because we need more air circulation. Because I want to keep the espaliered shape, I want one branch here and then no branch here, and then there's another one, so that'll be alternating. Say with this one here, I will cut that off because there's a branch here, and then I want to keep that branch there. Also, when you're cutting, you need to make sure that you prune right here. That's what you call collar. So this is after all that pruning, and this is what I got after all that cutting. And what I'll do is I was thinking of turning this into a lattice or some sort, but it's just too much work, so I think I'm just gonna mulch it down and use it as a mulch for the plants. And so going back to the apple tree, so as you can see, I've left some stump there at the top, and the reason for that is on the sides of each stump that will grow, there's some nodes there that will grow some branches, and more branches, more growth on the sides, and that means that's gonna provide shade when it comes to summer on my in our backyard, and as well as provide privacy when there's more growth there. And there you go. And I'm hoping there's more growth on the sides there, on the branches, as in this one's here, and I'm hoping this one's here, there. And I'll update you once it starts growing. And as well as this peacharine here, I've just trimmed it down, cut it down a bit, because I do like the way it branches out. I just didn't like the height of it. It was just too high. And once it starts blooming and as well as producing leaves, it will provide privacy as well, because at the moment I can see the neighbors from our kitchen or from our dining room. I can see the neighbors doorway, and I'm always conscious that I can see them or they can see us, so that will provide privacy as well. And with the pomegranate, I've just cut down whatever's touching the roof. So now I'm gonna mulch all of these branches just to finish off the cleanup. That's the quick view of the fruit trees that I've pruned, and that trellis there, it's not finished yet, so it's looking bare, but in my next video I will decorate that and I will show you how I've done that. So pretty much that's it. That's my pruned fruit trees ready for spring growth. Okay, thank you very much and have a great day.